Fahsyee Faux leather jacket for women. Vegan Moto biker motorcycle coat. Premium quality. Crafted from high-quality faux leather, our jacket combines durability with a luxurious feel that only improves over time. Tailored fit. Meticulously designed to accentuate the feminine silhouette. This jacket offers a flattering and comfortable fit for all body types. Versatile style. Seamlessly transitioning from casual chic to upscale elegance, this leather jacket is a versatile wardrobe essential that takes you from day to night with ease. Attention to detail. With intricate stitching and carefully selected hardware, this timeless piece showcases a touch of refinement that enhances its overall appeal. Statement piece. Stand out with the sleek design and eye-catching details that make this jacket a bold statement in any outfit.